At Agile Comms, we see 8x8 in real organizations every day, where it genuinely helps teams communicate better and where it can frustrate people if it's not set up properly. In this video, we'll walk through the strengths, the limitations, and the real feedback we hear so you can decide if 8x8 is a simple, flexible fit for your organization or if something else might be better. We're Agile Comms. We provide simple, flexible communication services to organizations across the UK on your terms, not ours. Today, we're taking an honest look at one of our preferred cloud phone systems, 8x8, to help you work out whether it's the right option for you. 8x8 is a cloud-based phone system that brings calls, video, messaging, and contact center tools together in one place. Instead of juggling separate bits of kit and apps, you get a single platform that your team can use from the office, at home, or on the move. Used properly, it's designed to help you convert more inquiries, improve customer service, and give your team the tools they need to perform at their best. Here's what it does really well when it's the right fit. Where 8x8 really shines is in joining everything up. Instead of a separate phone system, a separate video tool, and a patchwork of mobiles, you get a single cloud-based platform that grows with your business. For busy teams handling lots of inquiries, the call queues, auto attendance, and routing options are genuinely powerful. They help you get callers to the right people quickly and give you a real insight into how calls are being handled. And because it's hosted in the cloud, your team can work from anywhere, office, home, or on the road, without losing the joined-up experience. Because 8x8 is so feature-rich, it can feel like a lot if your needs are very simple. If you're a small office that just wants a couple of lines and a voicemail, some of the more advanced tools may never be used. We also see problems when 8x8 is put in without much planning. If your call flows are rushed or the underlying connectivity isn't right, your experience won't match the glossy brochure. Calls might not always route as expected, and people naturally blame the platform. In reality, this is usually a setup and connectivity issue, not a flaw in 8x8 itself. That's where a bit of honest consultancy upfront can make a big difference. Here's the pattern we see across reviews and our own clients. Looking at both our own clients and independent reviews, a consistent picture appears. On the positive side, people like that 8x8 brings everything into one place and offers strong call handling tools and reporting. Once it's tailored to how they work, it tends to be seen as straightforward and reliable day to day. Where frustrations show up, they're usually around how it's been rolled out, not the core platform. Poor connectivity, inherited call flows that don't make sense, or a lack of training from a previous supplier all leads to the same feeling. This isn't working as we expected. So we'd sum up the sentiment like this. 8x8 is a powerful, flexible platform, but the experience depends heavily on the design, connectivity, and support around it. For this service team, joining everything up with 8x8 meant fewer missed calls, faster response times, and a much clearer view of how they were performing. The platform didn't change. The way it was set up did. Once we simplified their call flows and addressed the connectivity, the problem phone system quickly became a simple, flexible solution that worked for everyone. By connecting 8x8 to their existing CRM, this sales team stopped guessing about call activity and started using real data and recordings to coach and improve. 8x8 is usually a strong option if you're serious about improving how you handle calls and inquiries, especially if you've got multiple sites or a mix of office and remote workers. It's less suitable if you just want the most basic, cheapest possible and aren't looking to change how you work. Our view is simple. The best phone system is the one that fits your organization and helps your people and customers thrive. For some, that's 8x8. For others, it's something different. Our job is to help you figure out which camp you're in. If you're looking at 8x8 and wondering whether it's actually right for your organization, that's exactly the conversation we have with clients every day. We look at how your calls are handled today, where the pain points are, and what your plans are for the future. From there, we'll recommend a simple, flexible setup that fits your needs, whether that's 8x8 or another option. If 8x8 is the best fit, we'll take care of the whole journey, checking connectivity, designing clear call flows, installing the system, and training your team. No long one-way contracts, no hidden catches, just honest advice and ongoing support. If you'd like a straightforward chat about your current phone system and whether 8x8 is the right setup, use the link below to book a call with our team.